U.S. and in Canada. Our vision is very simple. We want to provide equal access to liberty, equality, opportunity, and justice. And isn't that what every human deserves? On top of that, we've been featured in some of the most prestigious publications and platforms out there like Forbes, CNBC, Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg. And that's not even the tip of the iceberg. People ask us all the time, how are we able to do this? Well, it's easy. We have a shared economy process. So our members pay a monthly membership fee, and then we take a portion of that fee and we pay it to our provider law firm. So it's nothing more than the collective buying power of millions that makes our access affordable. So today I want to talk to you about our portfolio of services. Now I'm going to go into detail about the first 3 bullets, but I also want you to know that we have specialty legal plans for commercial drivers as well as public servants. And we have add-on options available. Now, if you have a home-based business, or maybe you're a gun owner, or maybe you do ride share and delivery, we want to protect your business as well. Now, on top of that, we do have 2 trial defense. One is for personal and one is for your business. On top of that, if you want to grow your bottom line, we can help you do that with our Business Plus, which is a consulting add-on. On top of that, we have our employee benefit options that's available to add into your as part of our portfolio to help you. Let's talk about the first core product. That is our preferred legal plan for 30